Hi guys, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 6. And this lesson is just before 20 and 21 as a little refresher on money. So today we're talking just about being able to identify pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters by their picture, name, and their value. So looking at this, I'm just going to review these coins to where we can remember how much they are and what the name of each of these coins are. So first, looking at this coin. Now, in class, we had a little poem or a rhythm to go with each of these coins. So for this one right here, this is the poem to go with it. It's quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25 cents, I am told. So looking at this coin, this is a quarter. Now, one way that you can tell this is a quarter, because look, it tells you quarter down at the bottom. So this one is a quarter. And in our riddle, it said, big and bold, you're worth 25 cents, I am told. So a quarter is worth 25 cents. Now look at this next one. Ooh, I know, but this next one is just by its size. So listen to this riddle. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So this is a dime. And it's worth 10 cents. Now, looking at this next one. This one right here says nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So this is a nickel. And this is worth 5 cents. And then the last one. The last one is the easiest one. One, because there's something that is so different about this coin than these other three that we've talked about. And that's its color. This color of this coin is copper, and the rest of them are silver. So listen to the riddle for this coin. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. So this one is a penny, and it's worth 1 cent. So looking at these, again, the quarter is worth 25 cents, and it even has its name on the coin itself. This next one, the dime, is the smallest coin, and it's worth 10 cents. The next one is a nickel, and this nickel is worth 5 cents. And then this last one, the penny, is the copper coin, the one that is a totally different color. And this is the penny, and it's worth 1 cent. All right, guys, that's it for this video.